Mayfair, facing another project. We start a roof repair. So this is what we are up to today. Every day from 8 o'clock, removing the old roof, dust around, all this stuff. So it's take hopefully not much. This is Valentina, your realtor. Just update from Mayfair, Palm Beach. My pipe was fixed. There was a root growing to the pipe from this tree, from these palm trees. Thanks God. So any new updates, you always can check Valentina website, www.luxstylepb.com. Valentina, local realtor, 561-335-9459, live from Mayfair.